welcome back again, chaps. Here we have a very nice ZI Ikon Euro cylinder, profile cylinder in device, pinned by the 30th of the 11th, excuse me, 17. So, well, yeah, the pick are formerly known as the one. I think TopOfThePick is what he goes by now. I stayed subscribed to his channel when he switched his name, but if you want to know who made this lock, that's who it is, TopOfThePick. I'm sure type it into YouTube and you'll find him. I don't know how to do all that link, the link malarkey. Since especially I'm just doing it off me telephone, so let's see, and you can probably do it off that, but just got to show you how limited my knowledge is. Okay, we'll use bottom of the keyway tension on this because we are not going to pick from the bottom there. So bottom of the keyway tension, there we go. This one might work. Nice and floppy. And actually, that's it. Clock on one way. Lock. The lock turns only clockwise. Okay. We'll heat the advice. There's a bit of a tick there. Right. Let me see. 15,000 hook there. Maybe we'll start with a hook one. Really, 18. Hook one, 18 thousandths. Let's see what we got. Okay. Man, I waffle on 2 minutes already and we've started picking. Okay. 3's binding. We get a counter off them as well. 1's loose. 2's loose. 3's still going. 3's still counter rotation off 3 maybe. Yes, that's good. Now, okay, we get under pin 4. Load the counter. Go. Under pin 5. Oops. Struggling to get under pin 5 here now. There we go. We lost our false and pretty much everything is springy, so see if we can up on. There we go. Right, need to skin your hook. Right, the forest diamond 15,000. Let's see if we can manage to get this guy to go in here. Might have to force the issue a wee bit. Right, pin 1. Pin 1, yeah, and I've got some counter off him. Okay, yeah, definitely gonna have to force the issue here. Okay, everybody is set, I think. Everyone feels solid except pin 5. There we go. I think I got 5 that time. Is that counter off 3? No. Okay, 4 and 5 feel okay. Let me see. Counter off 1. Okay. And we're open. Boom. T-pin and 2, I'd imagine. Right, let's try and keep this one quick. Let's try and keep this one short as we can. Yeah. Nice pick. Tricky keyway on those ZI Ikons. Very paracentric indeed. There it is. We have a key as well, so we can lock this baby back up. Got some keys to bitten, by the way. I don't know if I showed you. Very nice bitten on the. Awesome. Great challenge off bitten. Higher in the front, low one there in the second, right number 2, and then 3, 4, 5. 3 high ones behind them. Right, clips, clip. Okay, that's an interesting looking clip. Maybe it looks like a Freddy. Should come off relatively easy. Famous last words. Hey, don't you just love it when a plan comes together? Okay, shame because I'm sure I felt a T-pin in there. I'll go for a guess and say T-pin is on number 2. Let's see how wrong I am. Shim. I need to bring up some new shims to the Lock Lab. Okay. Oh yes, I'm glad I went with this. Something is very up past it. Something was blocking in there. I'm sorry. Don't worry about that. Okay, that will have to do. So, any more follower and let's go, baby. Let's go. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, you can see some work there being done. Oh, don't want to launch them. We're pulling the key out. Yeah, see the first one did the tip. Yeah, oh yes, very nice. Threading everywhere. I think it's threading in every chamber. Okay, let's get these babies out. Okay, number 1, number 2. Very nice pin, number 2. Number 3, standard. Number 4, very nice, right, very nice. So there we go, threading in everything except chamber 2. Very nice threads as well, very nice indeed. Right, get these babies on top, right? Okay, maybe that gem. What I do with tweezers, if it is. So, oh yeah, that's a funky pin there in pin 1. Wow, that's awesome. Look, that's so cool. So cool. I'll give you a good look at these now in a second. Very nice T-pin. I was correct. T-pin in number 2. Ooh, I was correct. Doesn't happen often. There's another one of those. It's again drunken spill. Hang on. Whoa. That's a pin in pin. That's what that is. Very nice. Wow. That is awesome. Look at that. A mushroom with pin and pin. Wow. Excellent. Very nicely done, Chris. Top of the pick. Is it top of the pick? I think this is no name stand. Another pin in. Yes, it is. Wow. I think a little bit lucky here in this one. What do we have to finish it off? Very nice spiel. There we go. Springs here. I don't think anything's threaded in the Bible. You may have a couple of small variations in springs, but that's it. But wow, there's some very nice looking pins here. Check that out. On the bottom here we have. Sorry, just a second to focus if I can. I cracked the screen on my phone there last week, so the other week, so it's a little bit harder to see if they're coming up nice. Wow, that's some beautiful pin work, absolutely beautiful. Nice T-pin there. Those pin and pins are fantastic. They're pin and pins, building something like mushroom type spills with pin and pins inside, and it's very nice serrated there at the top, spools at the bottom. Awesome, very cool. Sorry, I forgot to mention in the last video as well, Patrick's Black Dolphin 90s lock that he sent me, Fecker, has threading in chamber 1 and chamber 1 and chamber 2. Sorry, chamber 1, chamber 3 and chamber 4. Nice light threading going into them there, very cool. Those other three are just stand nice and smooth. And I think what the trouble was with that one, Patrick, is if I can just get it here quick. And yes, all they're in there. So if I insert the key, you'll see now. That's the only way I'm looking out. So that's going to go too high, but that's fine. He should have been able to go up into the shear line, that ball, and the rest of the way in. But if you see the 6 pin there, it's just resting a little low, and then also that screw, and sometimes he catches, sometimes he doesn't. So he wants to go under there, but it's stuck. Down this side, it gets stuck as well. So I'll just shave a little tiny bit, sand that down a wee bit, and should be good to go. Okay, good stuff. It's a great lock, by the way. Very nicely done indeed. Backed off it. This one's very cool too. Will we leave it there, or will we have a quick look? We'll have a quick look. Will we see if we can see how they act in here? I do like to see this myself as well, to be honest. The pins. To give you even a good look, a close look at the pins. Probably not. I think I did give you a look at that. One, check that guy out. Isn't that awesome? Two, some very cool serrations there. Two, just smooth chamber, standard. Three, very nice serrations. Four there, very nice. Beautiful. And standard in 5. So let's see what these guys look like in here. That's just awesome. They must be made out of a piece of copper wire. He works nice in there. T-pins going to catch nicely. These pin and pins, they should work very nicely in here too. Nice. Oh, come on now, stay in there. There, that's better. Fourth one seems to work well, engaged quite nicely. And the fifth one engages quite nicely. So yes, so they all work quite well indeed. And T-pin is nicely active there, he catches just right. This pin up here went a little bit deeper, maybe. I guess he's deep enough to for the spilled end of the mushroom to catch. But very cool. He's this guy as well. Everything, all the serrations and all his spool at the end there comes into play, and all those chambers are threaded, bar that one, bar chamber 2 with the T-pin in. So once again, there we go. A very cool lock. Chris, top of the pick. Cheers, buddy. Thanks for making it, Black Dolphin. Thanks for sending it, pal. And I'll try and get on and get more of these locks picked as soon as possible and get them off out to the rest of the community, to someone else to have some fun with. See you later, fellas. Thanks for watching. Bye.